Today we're going to talk about whether open houses work in getting homes sold. According to the National Association of Realtors 2002 Profile of Home Buyers and Sellers, 28% of buyers use open houses as an information source in their home search, and only 5% frequently use open houses as an information source. 96% of buyers use the web to find homes for sale, and 86% of buyers purchase their home through a real estate agent. Only 1% of buyers visit open houses as a first step during the home buying process, and 4% found the home they purchased via a yard sign or an open house. So statistically speaking, open houses are virtually irrelevant. The data tells us that the vast majority of buyers find the home that they'll purchase online or through their real estate agent. But the data does show that at least some buyers, if not very few, may find the home that they purchased through an open house. So what does that mean for you, the home seller? It means that it certainly doesn't hurt for your agent to hold an open house, but the chances are slim that it will actually sell the house. It's my opinion that it is a fair conclusion that a home seller can rest at ease knowing that the house will likely sell from the internet or from a real estate agent if no open house is conducted. Now, open houses can get foot traffic, although at times they might not get a single visitor. People attend open houses for many reasons. Some want to visit homes to figure out how to price their own home for sale. Some want to compare the condition and floor plan and upgrades for their home sale or for their renovation. Others may just want to know what homes look like in a specific neighborhood. And of course, there's always the looky-loos who are curious of their neighbors or dreamers who want to see what a home looks like on the inside. But there are also legitimate buyers who are not quite ready to buy and those who don't want to bother their real estate agent but would take a look at the house at some point regardless of the open house. Some buyers visit open houses because it's more convenient for the seller and their agent to show. Of course, some realtors hold open houses to prospect for new buyer customers. And it can be a profitable approach since many people who visit open houses are in the early stage looking for homes if they're serious at all. That said, only 3% of buyers found their real estate agent from an open house. So open houses are almost statistically irrelevant for realtors to prospect, as it is for sellers to get the home sold that way. That said, open houses don't hurt, can create some buzz and momentum and excitement about the home, and in some cases, can produce a buyer.